So guys, let's talk. Welcome to another episode of my video. So today let's talk about this. So first of all, what is this called in your language? This peanuts. Okay, I'm from Nigeria, and when I was growing up, we used to call these peanuts groundnuts. Yes, that's what we call it, but it has a native name. Okay, I want you to drop in the comment section what it's called in your language. And this peanut has many uses. Some use it for cooking of soup. Yes, some use it for normal snacks. Some use it for so many other things. It has a variety. So I would love for you guys to drop in the comment section what do you use this peanut for. In my own tribe, we don't actually use it for anything other than eating. Yes, for snacks only. We don't use it for soup, unlike other tribes that make groundnut soup. I think Calabar people, I don't actually know, let me know. I don't know, but I think Calabar has groundnut soup, or Ebonyi State. I don't know which state has that makes groundnut soup. But for Igbo, we don't actually have a groundnut soup. We don't make groundnut soup. And in my own language, yes, in my own language, this is called Okpape. Yes, for my native language. I know this might sound funny. Yes, it's called Okpape in my language. What did I say again? Can you say that again? Yes, Okpape. That's what is being pronounced in my own native language. Yes, you know Igbo varies. They have different tongues. Yes, but in my own local language, it's called Okpape, and we basically use it for eating only, like this, or cooked or being fried. That's what you use it for. Maybe to use and drink garri. Yes, if you want to drink garri, you can use it. That's what we use it for. Other tribe use it for the same purpose, but some use it to make soup. I've not tasted groundnut soup ever before in my life, and I don't think I'm a fan of groundnut soup, because looking at it, it's not something that attracts me to eat. So I'm not a fan of groundnut soup. But yes, I love this. My mom told me that when I was little, that this used to be my favorite snacks, because when I grew up, I found out that I actually love this snacks. I actually love eating this okpape very much. So it gets to a point that my mom told me that yes, this was my favorite snack when I was a baby. Is that each time I cried, she will give me this particular okpape for me, and once I ate it, I will shut up my mouth. Oh yes, and that solves my problem. Yes, because how will I love this? Because there's a story my mom used to tell us. Yes, my siblings, right? My siblings, we have, when we are growing up, we have a particular food or snacks that makes us happy each time we cry. Yes, my sister, I can remember on her own was oba. Yes, I don't know, it's still a native food in my own language. Yes, her own was oba. Mine was this peanuts. Yes, and I grew up to like this is my favorite. I love using this so well. I love having it at my place each time, whether I'm using it or not. I like to keep it so that if I want to do anything, maybe I want to drink garri, I want to eat, or I love having this, so it solves my problem. Yes, because I love eating it. I don't know if you enjoy eating okpape. So if you enjoy eating okpape, let me know in the comment section, and let me know the type of food that made you happy when you were growing up. Or do you have a particular food that you loved, or your parents told you that, oh, this was your favorite snacks, or this was your favorite food when you were growing? I know you might have one, so I want you to drop it in the comment section for me. Let's talk about your childhood experience. I hope that will be nice, right?